All right, guys, this is Rob with NextGen Writer here today. We're going to do what should be a pretty quick video. We're going to demonstrate the connection of a Apple iPhone to the Chigi AIO6 LTE via CarPlay. So what you want to do to get into the CarPlay connection screen, you have a couple of choices. You can hit the soft key down here on the screen and then make sure you select CarPlay in the lower menu. It's right there, the green one. You can also hit the second button over here and jump straight to that screen as well. Now, before you make the connection, be aware that you have some settings. So there's the settings gear icon here, and you can see you have the choice to turn auto connection on or off. You can choose high frame rate. The Chigi has, I believe it's 60 frames per second frame rate for the CarPlay display. And then you can force it into 2.4G Wi-Fi connectivity. It will also create a history list of the devices that it's connected to. Fusion mode, which is available on the AIO 5, does not look like it's an option here on the AIO 6 yet. Hopefully that'll be coming soon. So we'll go back and we'll unlock our iPhone, and now you're going to see a couple of networks here. You don't want to pick the -LE one. You want to just hit the Chigi with the identification number. Yours will very likely be different. So we select this Bluetooth connection. On the phone, it's going to generate the pairing request. You'll select pair, and then you'll allow contacts and favorites. And then over here, you're going to select OK. And now it's going to go into the pairing routine. To finalize the pair, it's going to ask to connect to CarPlay. You'll select Connect. And boom, now we're in CarPlay. So you'll have your apps here. And then you're good to go. So now what I'm going to do to return to the dashboard screen, you want to just hit the exit, the Chigi icon, and now you're back in the dashboard. So what I'm going to do is we'll just put the phone into standby, and I'm going to power down the Chigi device, fully remove power. Now we're going to power up and see how quickly we get the connection established on the auto connection. There's our splash screen. Startup tone. There's the panel, home panel. And boom, now we're into CarPlay. So pretty quick. Pretty satisfied with that. I know these devices, and it's not just Chigi, a lot of devices struggle with reliable connectivity. Various things can impact it, but this out of the box looks like it's working pretty well. So we'll demo the Android connection next. Thanks for watching.